Welcome to Cardington. Today the 23rd, I think, of July 2013. It looks like they've taken some framework down on the door. They've got the door wide open, the crane's all working on it. Now, I presume that's just repairing girders and they'll be putting them back up. But yeah, the door has some framework removed by the look of it. Still working strong. Well, look at it working long. Yeah, you can see the framework. Perhaps we're painting on the roof section up there. So yeah, door is open. Framework being worked on. Right. It's over 30 degrees Celsius out here and I'm getting hot, so I'm going to go back for my tea now, guys. Cheers.